Hello friends, today I am going to share with you about how to create a method in Java programming language and then implement it, use it and to run it in Java programming language. So I am selecting the destination folder. So let's write tutorial and name it as tutorial 1. Okay, now it will create let's write a tutorial 2. It will create tutorial 1 already exists, so it will create a tutorial 2 file named package name tutorial and class tutorial 2. So we write methods here and implement it in its body. So here static void, and let's write it my method. So it's just a method to print a line, this is my method. Okay, what this method do is that when you call it on this body, the method will print this is my method. So let's call it and check the result. My method. Okay, we can call it straight because this is a static method, so we can call it straight in the body by writing my method. So let's run it. So it's already printed. See this is my method. Okay, so this is the first tutorial. The second part is that we pass an integer from the body to the method and print that integer. Okay, so let's do it. Static, you can write static void my method 1. Okay, we name it my method 1 and we say integer x. We write integer x because we want to pass an integer x from the body where it keeps the integer x, and what it does is print line x. Okay, so the body is to print what is the value of x. So now here we write method straight and then print the value of method, print the value of x. Okay, so how we pass this way, my method x, let's say x is 20. Okay, we pass 20. So what does it do is it passes 20 as the value of x and print it. Okay, my method 1, its name is my method 1. So it was showing an error, but it's all right. So now let's launch it. When launching, this shows value 20. Okay, so this is the next part and I will show you now the last part. Okay, the last part is passing the value from as a method from the body and returning a value from the method and then printing the value. Okay, so we write static integer, since we have to pass integer, let's name it my method 2. Okay, so integer y, let's pass an integer and name it as we name it as a y, and then return the value and then print the value here. Okay, so while returning the value, when you return value from a method, we have to print the value by using previous syntax, system.out.println. Let's pass a value of 100, my method 2 and 100. Okay, so now it prints. What does this syntax do is it passes the value of 100 as an integer y, and the method return this y as an integer, and this syntax catch it and print it. Okay, so now let's run it. So 100 is already printed. So this is all the simple methods you can use. For the next part, I will show you how to use the public method. Since using public method, we have to create object to catch to print to work with the syntax. So that will be on our next part. Thank you very much.